Our media friends, you're always welcome to cover. Pasensya na parang nagkaroon ng konting gulo, but definitely we do not in any way intend for any of you not to be able to cover our events here in the Senate anytime. On that note, nagulat lang ako kasi maayos naman. Sabi ko dun sa ating resource person, halika na, sinusundo ko kayo, let's go in. Nagulat na lang ako na nakita ko dun si Secretary John Vic Remulla, tinaharang ako. I never thought the day would come to business. Rule 2, Section 2 of the Senate rule states, the officers of the Senate shall be elected by the majority vote of all its members. Majority vote is 13. When 12 senators convene and purportedly held session, how can that be valid? Nung tumayo po si Senator Gatchalian at sinabi niyang, ang dami hong posisyon, di ko na humaalala lahat. Acting, presiding officer, Senate, President, pro temp, acting Senate President. Paano ho nangyari yon? Buhay pa po si Senator Legarda. Kailangan po 13. Sabi nga the officers of the Senate shall be elected by the majority vote of all its members. Buhay pa po si Senator Legarda, hindi pa po siya pinapalitan. Kaya hindi po pwedeng magkaroon ng another Senate President pro temp. I also say this for the sake of our staff na litong-lito na sa ginagawa ng mga kasamahan natin. Yan po ang reason kung bakit tuloy ho tayo, because I would happily give up this position. Alam niyo po yun. Hindi ko pinapangarap na maging chairman dito. I'm just doing my job. So I just needed to lay that on the basis para hindi na issue yon kung bakit ako nag-hearing, kung bakit tayo may hearing today. I have a longer speech, but because of the events that have transpired, I want to give the floor to the Senate President, and then I will turn this over to the subcommittee chairman, Senator Marcoleta. I have already issued a letter to him. Later on, babasahin ko. Nasa karapatan ko din po yon as chairman of the committee. Kine-question din yun nung sinabi ni Senate President na magkakaroon ng subcommittee. Napakaliwanag din sa rules namin. The chairman can create any subcommittee anytime. It can be verbal. It can be written. It can be text. Lahat ng versions na yun, ginawa ko. So valid po itong pag-create din natin ng subcommittee. In any case, nandito din po ako. Pero may hearing din po akong isa tungkol sa taxation. Baka mamaya kailangan ko din sunduin sa baba yung mga mag-hearing ng mga kasama kong resource person for taxation. Anyway, I will give the floor to the Senate President. Thank you.
Katotohanan, basis ng ating paniniwala sa